Highgate's team sheet today. Reece Francis in goal. Number 2, James Wilcock. Number 3, Ben Valance. Number 4, Liam Cairns. Number 5, Az Brown coming back in. Captain number 6, Shay Palmer. Number 7, Charlie Shaw. Number 8, Josh O'Grady coming in for Isaac Adegoke. Number 9, Ryan Harkin. Number 10, Ethan Muckley. Number 11, Connor Mooney. And the bench is Isaac Adegoke, George Cleat, Jack Till, and Aaron Williams. 4 changes for the home side today. The 2 captains. I've got the perfect line. Highgate are off. Bounce back needed. Can they do it on a cold, rainy Tuesday night? O'Grady back in the squad. Over to Valance. Valance, that long searching ball for Harkin, looking for the early goal. And met by Lewis Connor. Valance, chance for a cross, goes low. Clear from the first man. Back inside, great turn from Connor Mooney there. Still Mooney, cross goes in and out for the goal. Highgate winners is a shout from Connor Mooney. It's not a Highgate winner. And the second ball is another Tividale winner. Here down, they could be in here. Skips past Brown. O'Grady puts a foot in. Pulls it to Smith. Great save from Francis. And Brown. Sure. They need to. Always looking for that killer ball now, Highgate. Valance again. O'Grady. Mooney. Back off to O'Grady. Nice football. Muckley. O'Grady again. Puts one through to Harkin. Muckley tries to get in there and it's been a face there. This midweek Tuesday night game for Highgate against Tividale. Wilcock. It's a nice ball in. I think that's Brown that's gone down on the challenge, but no foul, says referee. Mooney to Palmer. Palmer's going to drive forward in that gap in the middle. Palmer, nice ball out, Wilcock. And great block there from Campbell Brave. O'Grady comes short. Back to Wilcock. O'Grady, lovely back heel. Wilcock, that's a good ball in. Just hits the roof of ball in. O'Grady blocks. Forward, short. Down to Muckley, gets there first. Strong from Ethan Muckley. Fizzed out to Charlie Shaw, he got control of it. Has it for Wilcock. Takes his touch, good ball in. Bouncing around in there, but I think it was Hawkins again that clears. Wilcock again, Harkin awaits. This time not as good as the ball. Fletcher lays it. Campbell away, O'Grady. No great touch, Koshku now. Brown was there. Valance again, looking for that killer ball. Hawkins cuts it out. Hands in there. Fletcher beaten to it. No foul. Shaw. So Charlie Shaw goes for the shot, leaning back on. Grady out, swinging corner. Nice ball in. Brown's up there, headed down. Cleared again. Scuff clearance, O'Grady. This time the delivery not so good, but they give it away. No dangerous position there. Mooney. Here's O'Grady again. Battling his way through, but then loses possession. Great ball out to Muckley. Muckley keeps possession. Mooney crosses. Shaw was in there, but didn't attack it. And now Tividale look to go. And cleared away. Line Cairns winners was a shot from Mooney. Give it away again there. Koshku could be in here. Highgate in trouble, but a great save from Reece Francis. Well, they've went through him far too easy there. Yes, Harkin now brings it down. Mooney, Harkin. O'Grady. All the way over to Wilcock. Nice feet there from Wilcock. Drills it in. Just cleared off the line. Mooney's in there as well. And it's poked home in the end by Muckley. It was a scrap on the line. But Ethan Muckley taps it home. Harkin, great football. Out to Wilcock. Harkin. Couldn't quite get control of the ball. Campbell now. Harkin caught him. Campbell carries on. And Palmer, good challenge there. Again, Mooney, Palmer. Wilcock again. It's been working for them so far, Highgate, just biding their time. Waiting for the right opportunity to play that killer ball. Is that the right ball? Just away from Wilcock, though. It was a good idea. Brilliant turn from Wilcock there. Nice ball of a shot. Good touch, and that's a strong challenge from Campbell. Dangerous challenge. Wilcock, that is a great ball in. Brown to the back post. Shaw as well, but was just leaning back on it again. He tries to get around Campbell and nearly did with a flick. The clearance got straight to Shaw near to the box. Cairns, O'Grady. Taking himself from Mooney away from Koshku. Still Mooney. Brilliant feet here from Mooney and just wide. I think it's safe to say it's in his career as a ball boy is not a thing here. As the ball put through to Fletcher. Fletcher one-on-one and just drags it wide. Through to Francis, eager to get Highgate second here. It's a nice ball out for Harkin, but he needs an option now. Mooney ran over him and didn't head the ball. Smith and Koshku both there. Smith takes it, looks to find Koshku, but Brown with a last-ditch challenge. Tividale are going to be desperate to go back into this game in the second half, but they give it away straight away there. Wilcock puts on him behind as the wind starts to pick up and the rain falls again. Nice ball out wide. Not it down, can Campbell keep it alive? He can. Nice pass out wide there from Koshku. Smith, Fletcher, Palmer comes out. Putting him under pressure. Campbell. Koshku again. Turn from Cairns. Nice clearance. And free kick given. And Cairns bounce it back to Palmer. Brown Valance is free if he can be found. Mooney. Valance is an option. That option is used. Harkin. Valance charging with that overlap. Harkin runs inside. It's not a bad strike, but fires it forward. Brown's up. Oh, good feet in there from Campbell. Mooney, though, charging down and wins it. Muckley and Harkin both running off, but a good... No, not a good challenge from Hawkins. It looked a good challenge from here, but... Big chance now. It was a prediction from birthday boy Terry Anderson, saying that Mooney will try and drive this. It's exactly what he's trying to do and forced to save. Over far side. And he stayed down. Shaw looks in quite some discomfort. This ball's going to be behind. Harkins in here. It clashes with the keeper as his shot was... Oh, looks to go here, Tividale. Smith. Looks to switch to Zach. Brought it down nicely. Campbell. It's a good ball there. And Mullen was... Valance. O'Grady back to Ben Valance. Still Valance. Nice ball in. Till's in there. It's going to be get a card for Aaron Brown. I'm going to try and put it in here as Highgate down to 10 men for the time being. Sin bin for Aaron Brown. Swung in there. Palmer tries to clear. Mooney looks to put it through to Harkin here. Can he get there before Campbell runs across him? Still Harkin. Falling in there, but Tividale managed to clear. Palmer away. Forbes. Brilliant Till and Mooney. Comes through to Harkin. 1-on-1. Can he put it in? It'd be rude not to. And that is game over, surely. Really not long left now. Not a bad ball in here. Looks for the shot and fires it over. Here you go. Brown. Nice ball out to Valence. Got loads of space ahead of him now. Heavy touch and does win a throw in, does Ben Valence. William Brown away. They go onto Till. They look to take him on now. Till kicks it ahead and meets to the other side. Williams is in there on his own. Still Till into Harkin. Great save. Brilliant save there. And Wilcock. Just hold it. Williams. Wilcock. Williams again. Now the crossing away. Smith. Forbes. So Forbes out wide. Pulling Fletcher. Williams. Back to Valence. Right to Harkin. Lovely flick to Till. Just got away from Till there. There goes the final whistle. A big win for Highgate. 2-0.